Turn Signal with Kim Troby.
Arizona's High Court says a state scholarship program that provides money to parents with disabled or foster care kids in order to let them send those kids to private school can continue while they decide whether or not the program is constitutional. Sounds good, right? Well, the same day that the High Court was sending down their ruling, state lawmakers were passing the budget. But what they failed to do was provide any funding for the program. Focus on the Family Action's Candy Cushman says the whole situation is confusing.
Well, it's probably really hard for people to understand with all these court battles happening what's really at stake, and what they need to know is this is really just about scholarships for disabled children and foster care kids. This is really a tiny portion of the overall state budget. So it's crazy that these groups want to attack a program that's actually pretty incremental and pretty small and going to help the neediest children in Arizona.
That's a good point that you bring up. Why would they attack things that would seemingly be good for kids?
Well, what we're seeing is repeated legal challenges from political left groups like People for the American Way, ACLU, the NEA against these programs for foster care and disabled children. And so it's clearly not about what's in the interest of kids. It's about holding on to political power, holding on to the status quo in public schools and to the money that's there. But we need to think more about putting power in the hands of parents and not just about having the power in the hands of government schools.
The court case goes on, and pro-family groups are holding out hope that if the High Court finds the law constitutional, funding will once again be provided.